In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom your videos or you can zoom your clips on your timeline in Filmora. By zooming in and out, you'll be able to edit your videos better because you'll have much allowance to cut or to move around. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I have here these video clips on this timeline. However, I'd like to go ahead and expand this timeline to be much longer so that I can see the details and have a clear picture of where I should trim and cut my videos. To zoom, just use this zoom option that is here. If you go ahead and zoom in, it will go ahead and elongate your timeline, and now you can see my timeline is much longer, meaning I have more room to edit or to trim my videos. However, if you feel the timeline is too long and you like this video to be concentrated on one part, just go ahead and then zoom out like that, and this will make your videos on your timeline to be much shorter. However, the video length in terms of time, it will still be the same. So if it was a 2 minutes footage, it will still retain the 2 minutes. It's only that it will move much faster or much slower depending on whether you zoomed in or out. So that's how you can zoom your files on your timeline in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.